How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Hobby Cantina. And today I got a little bit of a different thing I'm going to start doing here on the channel. I'm going to start adding some upgrades to stuff that I already have and then newer things that I get as well. But check out what we'll be upgrading today. So I got the Nissan Skyline, the 2000 GT, the tuned version. This is that Kyosho Fazer MK2. So what I did was I picked up the drift tires and I got 4 of them, of course. And this is the part number on it, the FATH70 4-wheel drive. So looking forward, I'm gonna install these real quick and then we're gonna go test this out. And that's basically all I'll be doing in on my upgrade series. So whenever I'm gonna do an upgrade, I'm gonna just show you the part real quick and then we're gonna put it on there. Maybe I'll do a time lapse, maybe I'll show you step by step if it's something a little bit more complicated. And then we're gonna go straight to testing it out. Unfortunately, I do have this boat, check this out. Got this boat right here and it's the Pro Boat Recoil 2. And I was gonna take this out and that was the video that was going to be released today. But unfortunately, the place I went, the entire lake is frozen. So I'm going to have to go to a different lake. But glad that these came in. These just came in. So we'll be doing that. And then I've also got another rock crawler that just came in, a Red Cat one. So we'll be going over that too in another video. But yeah, I'm going to get these installed and let's go test this thing out. I'll try and find a good spot to test it out, of course. And yeah, here we go. All right, everyone. So what I'm going to do is I was lucky because I had an Allen wrench from my Mad Van, but I'm just going to take these wheels off real quick. I'm just using this Allen wrench and yeah, I mean, obviously this one's pretty easy to do, but I'll just show you one real quick and then I'll get the rest done and then we'll be sliding away in a parking lot somewhere. But I did want to show you one thing after I get this wheel off. Super easy. You just got a nut. Screw right there. There's the old tires. These tires are great that came on this. But I'm ready to slide. So and you can see it's just got this, your caliper and your brake disc in here. But that's pretty much it. So let me show you the other part that I have right here. So I picked up this FAW208. It's a stabilizer set. So I guess there's like a medium, a soft, and a hard one maybe. But this apparently makes you drive a lot straighter and a lot better. So I'll be making a video of that one as well. But yeah, let me get that wheel on and let's go test this out. All right, we'll check it out. Looking nice. Looking really, really nice. I'm actually very surprised at how well this turned out. Check that out. I was trying to zoom in, but the light was bad for some reason. But yeah, I mean, that white on it looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. I mean, it still looks kind of funny, but it still looks nice. I think it turned out just fine. But time to test it out. And I thought you might just want to see what it looks like now with the body off. But just to give you a look, it does not really change anything at all from what I can see. Like, these are basically, they're about the same width. Maybe these are just a little bit wider, but pretty much identical. Definitely a hard plastic though. Totally different. All right, just got to the park. Got a little bit of daylight left too, thank goodness. But yeah, let's test this thing out. Oh, and then of course I'll show you where I'm at. I'm in northern Utah in an area called Cache Valley. But yeah, I'll show you. All right. So I'll show you real quick over here, the little view. There's a river over here. This is the name of the spot. Trapper Park, City of Logan, Utah. Here's the river. I could run the boat here in this area. I just wouldn't have a lot of area to film in. But this will be my backup plan for that boat. But yeah, here, check it out. So this is the whole park. And of course, if you've seen some of my videos, right over here, there's this track as well. And I've tested quite a few things out on this now. And it's never covered with snow because this city does a great job of maintaining these parks. Utah does a really good job of maintaining parks. But there's the track. We'll be testing out over in here though for this drift car. But let's get it. Let's get it done. All right, Kyosho MK2 with drift tires. Oh yeah. Yeah, it definitely slides, that's for sure. Let's see if we can get a slower start. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're in control too, which is nice. Like I can keep it much slower now. Before where it was super torquey. It's not doing that now. So that's pretty awesome. Let's follow it up here. We'll just kind of get a nice little shot of it sliding out. And then we'll come back over here. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's awesome. I'm going to take it up here and then we'll get some shots. All right. So I'm walking over here. And I'm pretty sure that there's a good little angle where I can kind of shoot it out and kind of hit this turn right here. So we'll see. It's kind of bumpy here though, unfortunately. I'll see if I can get some good shots. But yeah, this thing's sick. Doing some rallying right there, as you can see all these pebbles and stuff, but it's kind of how it is around here. But that thing is just floating. Yeah, really cool. Just kind of walk with it and drift it a little bit. Just see a little bit more. But yeah, this little upgrade here, super easy. And it totally changes this car. That's for sure. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed that upgrade of the drift tires on the Kyosho, the MK2, this Nissan Skyline. The thing's sick. I can't wait to get it in a smoother parking lot, especially when it's not winter. But I think it worked great. I think it's a really good upgrade. You should check it out. I'll put a link in the description below, and then you can go get one if you want one. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Kind of a different video. I'm trying to kind of test different things out now. But I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments below if you've got any upgrades or any ideas or anything that I can do with this. I will eventually be getting more of a drift setup car. I'm not sure which one yet. Let me know in the comments about that as well. But all in all, if you're going to get a tire upgrade and you want to kind of practice some drifting and stuff, I think this would be a good first step, especially if you've already got one of these. But yeah, I mean, that thing was sick, and it really gives you, it's really in good control. So I'm looking forward to putting that stabilizer on it, and then that'd probably make it even better. But yeah, thanks for watching Hobby Cantina, and I'll see you out there. I don't know. That looks like a pretty good spot for that boat. We'll see. We'll see what I end up doing.